tracker allows you to easily keep up to date with everything happening in your BNTouch CRM, so customizing it to fit your needs is very important. In the Options tab, you can configure tracker options to easily distinguish the types of events it shows. In the Tracker Options section, a series of rows will display that represent the various types of events that appear on the tracker. Many of these events will have a gray Name field. These are system events that cannot be removed, and the names of the events cannot be changed. At the bottom of the list, an empty box will appear. Here, you can create your own tracker event types. These will be added to the list when you click the Update Tracker button at the bottom of the page, which will also add a new blank field to add another new event. To the right, a list of all colors and codes will appear for each event type. These can be changed to any hexadecimal-based color you wish to help organize your tracker. These colors can be changed even for system events. When a code is entered and the page is updated, the box to the right will show the color that the code represents. There is also a link to move any of the event types up in the ordered list. To remove any custom tracker event type, simply check the box to the left of the event name, then click the Delete button at the bottom of the page. Deleting types for which events still exist in your CRM will remove the custom color from any events of that type.